Power supply. In order to ensure the normal operation of the roller ball press, the power supply should not be lower than the nominal value of the input voltage of the ball press. 2. Earthing. The earthing of roller ball press is mainly divided into shell earthing and internal electrical earthing. Shell grounding is mainly used to prevent electrostatic accumulation, electrical leakage, etc. Outdoor ball machine is also specially equipped with external lightning protection measures. 3. Ground loop. Even if the device is effectively grounded, but there are differences in the zero potential of different positions between the ball press and the central equipment, and the power load is unbalanced, which will still cause ground potential difference. 4. Waterproof. Outdoor ball press installation must do waterproof treatment. For suspension installation, there is a gap between the ball press and the bracket. 5. Heat dissipation. The heat dissipation of the ball rolling machine must also be considered.